Welcome to our guide on how to find friends by name on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to initiate the search for friends by name. Step 2. Navigate to X's search box located on the platform. Step 3. Type the name of a friend in X's search box and hit Enter on your keyboard to start the search. Step 4. Locate and click on the People link situated on the left side of your X session to filter the search results. Step 5. Scroll through the People list until you have identified your friend among the search outcomes. Step 6. To connect with your friend, click on the Follow button displayed to the right of their name to start following them on X. By following these steps, you can easily find and add friends by name on X, Twitter, on PC, strengthening your social network and staying connected with acquaintances. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to find friends by name on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by searching for and following friends by their names to maintain connections and engage with their tweets and updates. Enjoy the convenience of finding and connecting with friends by name on X, Twitter, to cultivate meaningful relationships within your online community.